today I'm back with another wig review, and my review is on the Neesha 203 wig. I'm gonna put down below, or inside the video, the installment of this wig, how I put it on, me talking about this wig, and etc. But I want to say I am in love with this wig. Okay, it's in the color Cinnamon Spice, and here is the stock card. And I am in love with this wig. Okay, I was looking for this wig all over. I couldn't really find it because it was all sold out on Ebony Line. Sam's Beauty had a few colors like hazelnut, and they did have butterscotch because that's the color I really, really wanted. But so when I put it in my cart, try to buy it, I guess somebody bought it before me, okay? So I was getting mad. I'm like, I need this wig, okay? And so I saw this site. It's called So Good BBB. I'm going to leave the link down below. I had saw Trendy K did a review on the site on a wig that she bought and a few more people. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to give this site a try. And she came, okay? She came. Alright, finally. I was waiting on this wig for a long time because, like I said, I don't know what. I mean, these wigs sold out faster than the Popeyes chicken sandwiches, okay? Like, that's how fast this wig sold out. Less than 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks. So, once I got my hands on this color, man, baby. Okay, do you see the texture? I feel like it's very soft. My hand can run through it. It's like a yucky, natural texture. I love it. And then it fits my skin tone. Like, I never even tried a Cinnamon Spice wig. And it's everything on me. It looks very natural. It has the cap construction, has the main delusion, the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and the strap to hold it together. It's very, I won't say it's very snug, because I like wigs that can hug my head. I do not like no loose wig or no wig I have to use the strap in the back to make it tighter. I don't like that. Okay, so this wig is an A+ for me. It's an A+ for me. And, you know, I don't know if I ever tried an Outre wig before, but when I say they stepped on this wig, they did their thing. Like, they stepped. Okay, they did not come to play. And I feel like that's why it was a lot of wigs selling out of these beauty supplies. So, my goal is to get another wig in this color because I'm just feeling it. I feel like this is the type of wig, like, you don't feel like doing your hair, but you want to go outside and get a pop to it, throw on this wig, and honey, it would be everything. So, my goal is to get this wig again in the same color. Because like I was saying, like, this is the type of wig, like, you could just throw on. You don't want to sit there and do your hair, but you want to look, put this wig on, and baby, you will get it popping in it, okay? Here, do you see? And look, do you see the lace? The lace is laid. It blends in with my skin. And I just threw it on. I didn't even have to put any concealer, powder, or nothing. I'm feeling this wig. It goes with my skin color. I didn't even know that. But my goal is to get this wig again in Cinnamon Spice and butterscotch. So I'm hoping that this wig comes back in stock after New Year's Eve. And I'm I'm going to be waiting on it. And I feel like if you all want a natural looking wig, something that will fit you, you don't have to do a whole lot of stuff with it. I feel like I said, my fingers going through it. The texture is fine. I love the texture. It's not a bad texture at all. Feels like your natural hair. This is how the back looks. Okay. So, keep watching this video. And I'm going to leave in the cap construction and stuff that I did to put on this wig, the steps that I did to put on this wig in this video. So keep watching. Do not turn that down. Also, subscribe, like, and comment. You can even comment and give me wigs or ponytails you all think I should do a review on. I will do it. I don't have a problem. I want to say enjoy your New Year's Eve. Live it up. Love life. Keep loving yourself. Keep being Sadiddy Bard. Don't care what nobody say about you. Have something to say. Keep doing you. Keep working hard. And I love you all. I will see you soon in my next review.
Say